Wind noise reduction GoPro Hero 9. I am not happy right now, people. Went out and filmed with this thing and the footage was almost unusable. That's what I'm talking about. Now I have these wind muffs that everybody says as long as you cover those two ports, it's gonna take care of the wind noise and you'll be good to go. But I was not happy with that. So I'm gonna go back out to that trail, do multiple laps with different configurations until we get this thing figured out, and hopefully I can help somebody else out. Wind and microphone test number 1. Got the top and front mic covered only. Sound mode set to off. All right, wind noise test number 2. Front and top mic covered with the sound muff. Wind mode set to auto. Wind noise test. Sound mic covered. Wind mode set to off. So that was the fix. Now we got the front mic covered, top mic covered, and that side port that I was failing to cover before. You can still get to the power button pretty easy. These buttons actually are pretty easy to feel behind that. Look at this furry little guy. But in case you needed one more reminder of the before and after, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so let's see. Made it to the top of South Ridge right here. That was 4.5 miles and close to 1,400 feet. Let's see. So there goes where I am. About to go down Upper Hooligan. This is the trail that owned me last time. Smashed my face off a rock. Woke up with my gear like a freaking yard sale all over the forest. Had to pedal back down the hill, riding by myself. It's time to get some redemption.